Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our second regular video or second academic video on this newly launched channel under title Mathematical Physics by Rajput Abdul Wahid Bhatti. Okay. In our previous video, we had solved 4 problems about vectors. Okay, all those 4 problems had been selected or taken from the book Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Dennis G. Zill. In this video, we are going to solve further 5 problems on vectors. Okay, and as in the previous video, all these 5 problems have once again been chosen or taken or selected from the same book, that is Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Dennis G. Zill. Okay, actually dear students, such problems are very basic nature. We are dealing with such problems since our school time or college time, but because such problems have been included in such higher level books, so we cannot avoid such basic problems. Okay, we must start our journey from ABC. Okay, anyhow, mathematical methods in physics, problem number 5. Find the angle between A equal to 2i plus 3j plus k and B equal to minus I plus 5j plus k. Okay, dear students, one more thing. Out of these 5 problems, first problem, that is this problem, has been taken from an example in the book, while remaining 4 problems in this video have been taken from the exercise. Okay, it does not make very much difference whether problem comes from example or exercise. We have to solve in both cases. Okay, mathematical methods in physics, problem number 5. Find the angle between A equal to 2i plus 3j plus k and B equal to minus I plus 5j plus k. Solution: A equal to this, so magnitude of A or absolute value of A within 2 bars. Dear students, sometimes this notation is also called norm. Okay, anyhow, for the time being, we say that it denotes absolute value of vector A, absolute or modulus value or magnitude of this vector. Okay, and is equal to x square plus y square plus z square whole under root. Okay, here x is 2, y is 3 and z is equal to 1. So absolute value of A or magnitude of vector A becomes equal to 2 square, that is 4, plus 3 square, that is 9, plus 1 square, that is 1. So it becomes equal to 14 under root. Similarly, absolute value or magnitude of vector B becomes equal to 27. Now we come towards the main thing. First we calculate dot product of A and B. Okay, now A dot B is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 5 plus 1 into 1. Dear students, in dot product we have to multiply I component with I component, j component with j, k with k. Okay, so 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, plus 3 into 5, that is 15, plus 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 15, that is plus 13, plus 1, that is 14, plus 14. Okay, 14 under root under root not 14. Okay. A dot B becomes equal to 14. Okay, let theta be the angle between A and B, then by definition cos theta is equal to dot product of the two vectors divided by magnitude of the two vectors. Okay, cos theta is equal to A dot B over magnitude of A into magnitude of B, or in other words absolute value of A into absolute value of B, or A norm into B norm. Okay, it becomes equal to 14 over 14 divided by 14 under root into 27 under root. Upper 14 can be written as 2 times 14 under root. Okay, so one time under root will be cancelled with the denominator 14 under root, and only 14 under root will be left in the numerator. Okay, similarly 27 can be written as 9 into 3, and 9 is a square of 3, that is 3 square power 1 by 2. So power 1 by 2 is cancelled with the 3 square, so 3 comes out of under root, while other 3 remains within the under root. Okay, so it can also be written in another form, in this form, that is 42 under root divided by 9. Okay, what we have done, we have multiplied and divided both numerator and we have multiplied with 3 under root, numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so in the numerator 14 under root will become 42 under root, while in the denominator it will become 9. Okay, because 3 under root when multiplied with 3 under root will become a full 3, complete 3, and hence 3 into 3 equal to 9. Now cos theta is equal to 42 under root divided by 9. This implies that theta is equal to cos inverse 42 under root by 9, and this is approximately equal to 44 degree. Dear students, I have found this value from internet online calculator, inverse cos. Okay, and its value becomes about 43 point something, or perhaps 44 point something, but I have rounded this value in full degree. Okay, I have not taken this value in point. Okay, so this is our required answer, that is angle between two vectors. Okay, similarly mathematical methods in physics problem number 6, find the angle between A equal to 3i plus k and B equal to 2i plus 2k. Solution: A vector is equal to this, so magnitude of A vector becomes equal to 10 under root. B vector is equal to this, so magnitude of B vector becomes equal to 8 under root, or 2 into 2 under root, because 8 can be written as 4 into 2, while 4 is a square of 2, and hence power 2 is cancelled by power 1 by 2, because under root means power 1 by 2. Okay, so there is no difference between 8 under root and 2 into 2 under root. Okay, now A dot B will become equal to 4. Okay, Let theta be the angle between then cos theta equal to dot product of the two vectors divided by magnitude of the two vectors. Okay, so here cos theta becomes equal to 1 over 5 under root, and hence theta becomes equal to cos inverse 1 over 5 under root, and this is approximately equal to 63 degree. Okay, as per online inverse cosine calculator, we can say it calculator value actually does not become exactly equal to 63. Okay, either it becomes equal to 62 point something or 63 point something. So I have rounded this value to whole degree. Okay, mathematical methods in physics, problem number 7, find the angle between so and so. Solution: when a vector is equal to this, so magnitude of a vector becomes equal to 5 under root. When b vector is equal to this, then magnitude of b vector becomes equal to 5. Now a dot b becomes equal to minus 10, and let theta be the angle between a and b. Then by definition cos theta is equal to dot product of the two vectors divided by magnitude of the two vectors. Okay, so cos theta becomes equal to minus 2 over 5 under root, and hence theta becomes equal to cos inverse minus 2 by 5 under root, and this approximately becomes equal to 153 degree. Okay, as per online inverse cosine calculator, exact value becomes equal to 152 point something or 153 point something, but I have rounded this in whole degree. Okay, mathematical methods in physics, problem number 8, find the angle between so and so. Okay, solution: when vector a is equal to so, then magnitude of a becomes equal to 2 into 5 under root. When vector b is equal to this, then magnitude of b, absolute value of b becomes equal to 3 into 2 under root. Okay, now dot product of a dot b becomes equal to minus 6. Let theta be the angle between a and b. Then by definition cos theta is equal to dot product of the two vectors divided by magnitude of the two vectors. Okay, and hence cos theta becomes equal to minus 1 over 10 under root, and hence theta becomes equal to cos inverse minus 1 over 10 under root, and this approximately becomes equal to 108 degree. Okay, as per online inverse cosine calculator, answer does not become exactly equal to 108 degree. It either becomes 107 point something degree or 108 point something degree, and I have rounded it to the nearest whole degree. Okay, mathematical methods in mathematical methods in physics, problem number 9, find the angle between so and so. Solution: when vector a is equal to this, then its magnitude becomes equal to 11 by 4 under root, and when vector b is equal to so, then its magnitude becomes equal to 3 into 6 under root. Okay, actually dear students, 56 can be written as 9 into 6, and we know that 9 is the square of 3. So 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 1 by 2, because under root represents a power half, 1 by 2. So that half will be cancelled with 3 square, and so 3 will become out of the under root, and hence 3 into 6 under root. Okay, now dot product a dot b becomes equal to 8. Let theta be the angle between so and so, and okay, by definition cos theta equal to dot product of the vector divided by magnitude of the vectors, and hence cos theta becomes equal to 16 over 3 into 16 under root, and hence theta becomes equal to cos inverse 16 over 3 into 66 under root, and hence theta becomes equal to 49 degree. Okay, as per online inverse cos calculator, angle theta does not become exactly equal to 49 degree. It either becomes equal to 48 point something or 49 point something, but I have rounded it to the whole degree. Okay, and this is the end of our second video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.